Beauty is indeed skin deep. In order to maintain your beauty, you need to use right ingredients that penetrates deep inside your skin, works on your problem areas, refine, rejuvenate and make your skin look younger, brighter and glow ever than before. In today's video, we are going to talk about a box full of magical ingredients that are not just good to smell at, look at, but they work wonders on your skin. While the ingredients may sound exotic, the box is not that expensive. Yes, you guessed it right, I'm talking about one of the most affordable beauty subscription boxes in India called the Glam Eco Box. Namaskar, Adab and Sat Sri Akal. This is Ekta Ketan and welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it right here, right now. And if you are an existing subscriber, do not forget to click the bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So the channel promotion is done. Now let's move ahead and see all the products that I have got in this month's Glam Eco box one by one. Here's how the box for this month looks like. If you have noticed, the design have again changed. This month there is a nice magenta purple kind of a number over here, a new design, new color and a wonderful new theme. Yes, I totally love the idea, the concept which is same about this month's box. The theme for this month's Glam Eco box is Ingredients Magic, and I'm sure you are as excited as I am to unbox this box and check out all the different products it has got. The first thing in my box is this cue card which tells about the theme of this month and all the different products that I have received in my box along with the size and the price. The second card is about the 4 primary ingredients that you will find inside the products in this box. What are those ingredients and what are the benefits that they offer? Now let's see all the products. The first product is from Neemly. It is activated charcoal face mask. So the key ingredient in this product is charcoal. Other ingredients are Fuller's Earth, which is nothing but your Multani Mitti, kaolin clay. One of the key ingredients that use in lactocalamine, a very good stuff for skin, and French Spain clay, which is again a very good stuff for your face. It is a 100% natural and chemical free product. It is a full size product and I believe it has come in a powder kind of form. You have to mix it with water and apply all over your face, keep it for 15-20 minutes and wash off and see the magic. The second key ingredient is vanilla and the product is Vanilla Vitamin C Nature's Co Cream. It is a face cream which claims to give you a very healthy glow and has high antioxidants and relaxant properties which will help you do away with the dead skin while keeping the skin soft, supple and firm. Oh my god, I need to check this product out. This is how the product looks from inside. It smells heavenly, like a vanilla heaven. I'll show you the texture of this product. The texture is very fine. Look at it, it's very soft, smooth and oh my god, I really love this smell. Third magical ingredient is Brahmi and hibiscus and the product is this hair cleanser by BioBloom. I have never used any product from BioBloom as such, especially the hair care product, so I'm quite excited to try this one out. It is quite thick in consistency. Look at this. And it does smell very nice. It smells a lot like the amla, Indian gooseberries, and has a very lemony tint to it. The beauty of this product is definitely the ingredient, that is amla, hibiscus and Brahmi. As we all know, the root strengthening properties of hibiscus and how it is good for your hair and the natural hair color that you can obtain from the hibiscus flower. Another good thing about this product is that it's a paraben free and doesn't have any formaldehyde, sulfates and petrochemicals. The fourth ingredient is Magnolia and the product is this beautiful BB cream by Inveda. It is a 8-in-1 cream with magnolia and almond and has SPF of 20. Now I'm not somebody who is into BB cream and all. In fact, I do not like a lot of BB cream, but the beauty of this product is that it's not just 100% natural. It is also free from any kind of cruelty on animals and 100% veg. So the product comes packed inside this beautiful and small and very handy tube. You can can easily carry in your purse or on your luggage while you're traveling. I'll quickly do a swatch and show you the consistency of this product. This is how the product looks like. The texture is fine, and the color, I think you need to check out the color whether it's suitable for your skin type or not. See, this is how the product looks like. Well, the fragrance is mild, and I'm sure a lot of you will definitely like the fragrance. I kind of like this product and I'm definitely gonna try it out. Like I said, the product has magnolia, and we all know about the anti-inflammatory properties of magnolia. What anti-inflammatory properties does to your skin? Well, it calms and soothes your skin, which helps in preventing any kind of disruptions and helps in healing your skin and making it glow. So that's Enveda BB Cream, the fourth and the last product in this month's Glamego. With that, I come to the end of this video. So we have come to the end of this video. I really hope that you have liked my video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and do watch my videos as well. I so much look forward to hear from you. Till next time, take care and ciao.